clean up my area. That's where it all ended up. So that'll be fun to go back through. Hope you had a good weekend, because it's time to get back to work. Now we got some room to work. Let's make these bags fit. On to cutting. All right, well, I cut these sections out like I had mentioned, and we're getting some height issues from one side to the other on the leaf. She's probably hanging at an angle on the back because I only got one fucking stand underneath the front of it, so the whole body is tipped. So I'll put on the jack stands in the morning, hit the blocks, and it should be straight. But the main factor is that bag is a little off. So I think the axle shifted on me when I was measuring. All right, after I fought with myself for a minute, I put the drop blocks in, and the bag angle at right height now looks perfect, pretty much on both sides. thanks for watching, and I'll keep working. You keep watching. Share with your friends, man. This project's gonna start looking pretty tight soon. The interesting part's gonna be here on the front. I'm gonna have to, on the control arms, I'm gonna have to angle this because it stops movement and it won't let me go down any further. So I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to angle this. I'm gonna have to cut the control arm and actually angle it so that I can get the angle out of that I need. Lower and upper. And then the bucket, I gotta trim out here. It's still rubbing. It's gonna touch that frame rail there, but I've had to cut that much out of it. So I'm gonna brace it up back here and put in a 45-degree angle bracket here, a couple of wings. So we'll get to that point on the next video. I think that's enough for this one. Made some progress. Let's see how it goes.